Today we're talking about Father's Day.
Yes.
Because Father's Day is this weekend.
You said it.
It is upon us. When it comes to giving a Father's Day gift, even if you go and get it today, it's not too late.
That's right.
You just got to do it.
It's never too late.
Even if you give it on the Monday following, it's still not too late.
What about the Tuesday following?
Still not too late. I spent Father's Day shopping for Father's Day. That's understandable.
Tony and I compiled a pretty extensive list of probably the most crucial things as a weekend warrior dad that we would want.
There are things that are inexpensive, things that are more expensive. There are things that you want to group 3 or 4 of them together.
Run out right now, take one of our suggestions, and spend some money on your pops.
It's not too late. It's not too late.
It's not too late.
I'm here to tell you, as a dad, I am an authority on the subject. It's not too late.